Faithfull have introduced a fantastic little tool. This is the new 8-inch multi-snip from Faithfull. Bi-material handles, so you've got a nice comfort grip on there. Locked as well, but it's actually quite clever. The lock is on both sides, so it's both left-handed and right-handed lock. Full stainless steel cutting blades, and if we open it up you can see it on there as well on the blade. There's a little notch there for wire cutting as well. Really super sharp, 8-inch length, stainless steel blade, great for anybody's toolbox, anybody's kitchen drawer. Really nice multi-purpose snip this is. Spring loaded as well, so if you're using it on multiple cuts or doing a lot of cutting, obviously helps with repetitive strain. Really nice little product from Faithfull. This is the new 8-inch snips. Pop one in your toolbox today.